Warning: the following videos contain dark psychological strategies that are meant to manipulate and control people. These videos are not intended to be applied in real life because of their destructive tendencies when in the wrong hands. They're meant for entertainment and defensive purposes. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Like a ball.
All right, ladies, so we're going to be talking about how to keep your man in suspense, all right? And this is a fucked up video. You guys already saw the warning, but this is just being very pragmatic and very straight to the point, all right? This is essentially how to keep your man in suspense. And look, if you have a healthy relationship and you plan on doing something like this, sprinkle it like you sprinkle salt and pepper. All right, this is not something that you take to heart. This is not a strategy you take and you live by. In fact, if you live by these strategies, karma will get to you. All right, but who cares? We got to get this information out there. All right, let's find out. All right, and don't forget, ladies and gentlemen, become Patreon supporters if you want to support the channel. One day this channel will close, in my opinion. So I'm preparing for it because YouTube is getting a little strict. But one day this channel will close, so I suggest that you guys support me on Patreon there, and that's where I'm going to be posting the live streams that I'm going to have on a weekly basis. It's not Corona, by the way. So yeah, go check it out. And I think I'm going to be doing my book club there. I know I talked about it many times, but that's what I'm thinking. But let's just begin, right? Look, man, if a man wants somebody, if you don't keep a person in suspense, if somebody is able to figure you out and predict you, they're not going to get emotional about you. You only become emotional about things that you don't know, that you can't predict. You see, whenever you're able to predict something, you don't respect it that much. You are less emotionally involved, all right? But as soon as you're able to predict something, the respect for it arises. We respect what we cannot predict, such as nature, like prisoners. If you work at a prison, you can't predict the prisoner, so you have a little respect for them, right? Or partners who are 100% willing to walk away, either because they've done it before, or because you've heard of them doing that before, or they've done it to you. The point is that the more predictable you are, the less suspense somebody's gonna have. The less suspense they're gonna feel. You see, the suspense isn't just like watching a movie. The suspense is, I can't figure you out. The suspense is, I don't know if you're gonna be there tomorrow. And there's nothing wrong with making them feel like you love them. The problem is that when you take away completely the suspense, you do yourself a disservice. Right? So we're going to be talking about some strategies how to do this. And tomorrow we're going to be talking about how to hypnotize your man into loving you. Not the nicest things on earth, people, but we're talking about how to get shit done. So the first one is this, okay? You want to let your man know that you're a nice woman, that you're loving. You know what I'm saying? Like, show him your light side. Show him how nice you are. But also at the same time, let him know how intolerable you are of bullshit. See what I'm saying? So this is how you do this. And the reason why you want to make him feel like you have zero tolerance for bullshit is because then he's going to think whether or not, because every guy bullshits at one point or another. Every guy's going to try you. You see what I'm saying? But when you give him a warning through a story, it's one thing for you to say that you don't take bullshit. It's another thing for you to tell him with a story. He's going to be a little bit more careful around you. Take it from me. I went out with a woman, sucked, right? But went out with a woman who told me that she sometimes could be heartless. She told me that it's not that she's doing it on purpose, but that she just cannot tolerate some bullshit. So she proceeded to tell me how she was going out with a guy who she loved, whom she was 100% devotional to, but he cheated on her once, she dumped him, right? And then she told me the next story of the guy who called her a bitch, right? And she told me about how she dumped him instantly, right? And then she told me another story. You see what I'm saying? Of how when she was with a guy, of how he would always be late on dates, of how he will always arrive a little late. And she got tired of that. And she said she loved him 100%, but that she felt he was gonna do that consistently, so she dumped him. Now, maybe that was true, maybe that was fake. I don't fucking know. The point is I was always on time. That was many years ago. I was always on time, and I made sure to never call her a bitch. You see, so it's kind of like what you want. What you want to do is find out what are the behaviors that you do not want a guy to do, and then you instill that into a story, and you tell him how you once dumped a guy because he broke those rules. Rather than telling how you do that, tell him through a story. And if he, God forbid, does that shit, first of all, he does not respect you. He does not fucking respect you. You already told him you dumped somebody for that. Why is he trying you? And second of all, that if he does do that, you're gonna have to dump him, or else you're gonna look like an idiot. If you say this, you're gonna have to act it out. You're gonna have to follow through. All right. This is the nicest one. This is the nicest tactic. Okay. After this, we're riling it up, and we're gonna talk about some more fucked up shit. But I do not recommend you guys do that because it's fucked up and it's wrong. All right. So let's go to the next one. The next one is make him feel completely wanted one week, and the next, make him feel unwanted. How do you do that? Again, you give him that validation and you strip it away. And when you strip it away, you'll make him want that validation that he lost. And this is how you do it. You say whatever you want to say to that dude. You tell him how much you like him, and this is for people who are already in relationships, right? You could tell him how much you want him. You can do whatever the fuck you want to do. But then the next week, you could just say how you talk about how you like a guy who looks the complete opposite of him. Let's just say you like me, right? You're going out with me. You're saying, oh, you're a great guy, whatever. But then the next week, you bring up the fact that you love Leonardo DiCaprio. You bring up the fact that you love Channing Tatum and how he's so big and buff. And how his hair is so wavy and his blue eyes are so dreamy, right? By bringing my validation up and then completely taking it away, it produces an effect wherein I feel like I can't match up to that. You see what I'm saying? So what I'll do then is I'll try to make sure that you still like me. Hey, Melissa. Hey, how are you, princess? Hey, you want to go out with me? Hey, you want to get a drink with me? He'll start doing things he normally doesn't do. And I'm telling you, this happened to me. This girl was she was really into me, but she told me how she loves guys like Channing Tatum. I was like, this bitch, does she not know how I look? Right? And I cannot lie to you guys. I felt insecure, man. Like I started working out. I wasn't gonna bleach my skin, get the fuck out of here, but I started working out. You see what I'm saying? So it's kind of, and as I was working out, what was I doing? Oh wait, this bitch, man, she better fucking like me now. Like, you know what I'm saying? So it's kind of like that kind of stuff. Then I will meet her, and I'm like, hope she likes me. I hope she notices. I hope she notices that I'm getting bigger now. I hope she notices. You put me in suspense, and when you put me in suspense, you're 100% my focus. You see what I'm saying? The next one is allow your man to see your dark side when you talk about others, right? For example, like, it's okay to look like an angel in front of people, right? But you could talk shit about people in front of your man. In other words, like saying like, yo, I fucking hate that bitch Melissa, man. She fucking did that shit. I am never talking to her again. I'm like, goddamn, for real? I ain't talking to her. You know what? That one time I did that with one of my friends. She started talking shit behind my back. I never spoke to that bitch ever fucking again. Ever. And you just look away, right? The reason why I'm saying this is because you ladies, you ladies be only having that angel side. You see what I'm saying? Show him how potentially of a bitch you could be. People will respect that. A guy will respect that. And a guy will pray to God you never turn on him. Simple as that. Simple as that. Right? Just let a guy see your dark side. Not directly to him, but indirectly when you talk about other people. Right? The next one is create an argument that is justified and pull away for a few days. Right? So only do this once every few months. You see what I'm saying? Only do this once every few months. What I mean is exaggerate about something. Yeah, exaggerate about something that he did. Like, let's just say that he hasn't asked you out in the last 2 weeks. You're the one that asks him out, right? You're the one that's asking him out, right? Intentionally ask him out first, 2 or 3 times in a row. Why? So that you can use that as an excuse to complain. Just say, you know what, man? I'm noticing I'm the only one asking you out, man. You know what? I need a break. I need a break. I don't think you're that interested. I need a break. And you just completely ghost them. Completely ghost them. You're like, baby, I didn't mean. I thought you were interested. Blah, 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 blah. You just ghost them. It was unpredictable. It came out of nowhere, right? 1 second, people. 10:37. It was unpredictable. It came out of nowhere. And that unpredictable aspect, as long as you're sweet to him from time to time, it will make him say, hey, what the fuck? I thought everything was going great. Why are you acting this way? Blah, 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 blah. And you just say, look, man, you just weren't initiating. I was the one doing all the initiation. I like you, but I can't. This is how things are. I don't like this kind of stuff. And those kind of things, I am telling you, he's not going to know where the next thing is going to come from. This is fucked up, people. This is fucked up. I'm not telling you this is nice. There's no halo around my head. I'm just telling you what it is. You know? The next one is this. Never fully validate him. Always keep him wanting more. What I mean is this. Just try your best not to completely let him know how much deeply you love him. That's all. Try your best not to compliment him. Compliment other men. Talk about how good other guys are in front of him. Let him hunger for your validation. That's what I'm trying to say. Let him hunger for your validation. Talk about how great guys are, but do not validate him until he asks you to. He said, what? About me? Baby, man, baby, you know how I feel about you, baby. Come on. I love you too, baby. Come on. You know how I feel about you. You know? But always keep a guy who looks the complete opposite as the type of guy that you like. Always keep him never completely validated. And that kind of stuff will keep him in suspense. Because he doesn't know if you're actually going to see. He doesn't know if you're going to be there next week. Do I recommend that? No fucking way. I don't recommend that. Does it work? Oh, hell yeah, it works, ladies and gentlemen. It truly works. You see what I'm saying? You see? And that's how it works, ladies. All right. Anyways, this is Alex from Mindful Attraction. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget, become one of my Patreon supporters. Check out my online course. And if you guys want a free consultation, just go to my website. And I'll see you guys later. Peace out. All right, ladies. So finally, I have released my second course for women, which is natural chemistry. This course is a 5-week course. 5-week course where every week you're gonna get a new set of videos based on specific issues. This course is all about how to create and maintain the attraction in any man. This will help you create love. This will help you deepen the love with your man. This is not about manipulation. This is not about playing games. This is genuine natural chemistry. No more short-term partners, no more being fooled. Why? Because I will reveal to you not only how to create attraction in the first week, but also how to understand male nature, how to understand their tricks, how to prevent from being too attached, signs that he's the wrong guy, signs that he's a narcissist, signs that he's a mama's boy, signs that he's an emotionally available guy, emotionally unavailable guy. We go over everything. We go over this 3rd week, setting boundaries. We go over the 3rd week, controlling your emotions, right? Setting boundaries, 4th week. 5th week, embracing your masculine and the feminine, right? And on top of that, I have over 10 different bonuses. 10 different bonuses, my Lord have mercy, right? With a money back guarantee. The bonus are 1, the natural chemistry, over 10 hours of content, right? The breakup formula, how to deal with a breakup, right? The connecting with your man, right? Establishing a life of abundance, social mastery, understanding your dark side, the goal setting seminar, which is about how to set and achieve goals, practical mastery that will teach you how to master anything, the laws of human nature. I have a book club for the laws of human nature with over 4 hours of content, right? The transformational seminar in a pocket, which is my mindfulness seminar, and the Chase audiobook. This originally is $1,800, but you get it starting at $97, ladies and gentlemen, right? $97. We have different packages, but all of this starts at $97. And you know what? You can check it out for free if you want. Yeah, for all the freeloaders, I have free videos just for you.
free videos, all right? So you could just check it out for free and then you could get out. Nothing wrong with that, all right? So, and on top of that, it comes with a 30-day money-back guarantee. No questions asked. That's right. No questions asked. I don't mind. I just want you guys to check it out because I know when you take one look, you're going to want to buy it. I can promise you. Just like my other course, the psychological game of attraction, it was a hit. You're going to love this one. This one is not about manipulation. This is genuine natural chemistry. Order it now, all right? I'll see you guys inside. Peace out.